Hi there, it's Ilona Sanders. Welcome to Spiritual Success TV. Today I want to talk to you about restoration, and I want you to get ready to be restored in every way. I used to watch a show called American Restoration, and in that program, they would take something that is old, worn out, beat up, and almost unrecognizable and begin to restore it and bring that restoration back and bring that piece or that object back to its original beauty. And there are several things that happen when it's time for restoration. So when we speak about restoration in this setting, I want you to know that whatever you are missing, whatever you are lacking, whatever's broken, whatever needs to be restored or replaced, this is the season for refined restoration. Now, when you start thinking about restoration, number one, the item or the product is there. The value of it is still there. It's just not in the best condition that it should be in. Number two, it has to begin a process. And sometimes the process may be a little painful because there's a lot of stripping away of all that no longer serves that piece or that object, or in our case, the individual. So there's a massive stripping. There is a massive stripping that may be taking place in your life as all the things that you may have picked up over the years, all the impurities, all the pain, the wounds, all of those things are being stripped away and being erased out of your life so that there is no longer a trace of it. Number two, there has to be a prepping or a priming stage going on where there is sanding and there is patching and there's replacing going on, and parts may have to be replaced so that you can come into the preparatory stage for being refined and coming into your greatest self. So when we look at that and we see about the priming that's going on, that too is a painful process as things are being put in the proper place. And then finally, they begin to put another coat of paint on, and they begin to put everything together in its proper place. And then that paint sometimes has to be heated. It has to be dried. But when the process is complete, that object, that piece, or in our case, you, beloved, are the best version of you that you have ever seen. So I want to encourage you that if you are in a restoration process and things are being stripped away, things are being refined, and then you're being primed for your greatest work ever, I want you to be encouraged because your best days are right in front of you. Bye now.